In the last video, I showed how we can use the new raster overlays to visualize categorical datasets in Climate Engine. Today, we're taking things a step further by using these datasets as data masks. For this example, I'm zooming in on a river corridor in northern Nevada called Maggie Creek. It's an area that has seen a lot of restoration work over the years, making it a great test case for this demonstration. I'll start with a typical Climate Engine workflow by creating an NDVI trend map over the last 35 years. To do that, I'll select Landsat as the dataset, NDVI as the variable, and for the calculation, I'll choose slope of trend. For the seasonal window, I'll select June, July, and August to capture the summer vegetation conditions, and I'll select the period of record from 1991 through 2025. Once that's set, I'll click Compute Map, and Climate Engine will return a map showing NDVI trends across the region. You can already start to see areas where vegetation has been greening up, or in some cases declining over time. Now, while that's a useful overview, what I really want to do here is focus on just the river corridor. That's where the categorical data layers come in. Climate Engine includes several new layers like land cover, wetlands, and land ownership that can help define specific landscape features. For this example, I'm going to use the valley bottom extraction tool from our partners from the Riverscapes Consortium at Utah State University. This dataset will allow us to home in on the river corridor. Up to this point, the categorical layer is just an overlay. It's something that we can see, but it doesn't yet change the underlying visualization. The new feature we're introducing is the ability to use that categorical dataset as a mask to restrict the NDVI trend map so it only shows values in the valley bottom. To do that, I'll go to the masking menu and choose Mask by Category. From there, I'll select the Valley Bottom Extraction Tool dataset and choose the elevated and low-lying valley bottom classes. Then I'll click Compute Map again. When the map reloads, you'll see that everything outside of the valley floor disappears. What's left is a clean, focused view of the NDVI trends just within the river corridor. That makes it easier to interpret how vegetation has changed in the riparian zone. This same approach can be used with a variety of categorical datasets, such as land cover, wetlands, and land ownership boundaries. You can even combine different masks to look at specific intersections, like forests within public lands, or wetlands with certain land cover classes. We're continuing to add more datasets, so there's a lot of room to explore. So that's the new Mask by Category functionality in Climate Engine. Give it a try, see what you can discover, and let us know how you're using it. Thanks for watching.